Welcome back. In Kotlin, anonymous functions are a way to define a function without giving it a name. They are often used for creating small, one-off functions that are passed as arguments to other functions or used in local scope. Anonymous functions are similar to Lambda expressions, but they allow you to specify the return type explicitly, whereas Lambda expressions often infer the return type from the context. Here's the basic syntax of an anonymous function in Kotlin. And for example, val add. This is the variable name, the int, which are the data types of the parameters, and int is the return type. We have the function fun, takes into the parameter a and b. The return type is integer, and the method body here return a plus b. You can see the return statement is specified in this anonymous function. Also, the fun keyword. So the main difference between anonymous functions and Lambda expression is you specify the return type explicitly and the fun keyword. Lambda expressions often infer the return type from the context. We have a shorter syntax for the anonymous functions. We can get rid of this part. So we can specify the variable name, we can specify the function, the data type 1 and data type 2 and the data type of the parameters, and the return type with the method body. This is the shorter syntax of anonymous functions. Now let's move to Android Studio and learn about how to create our first anonymous function. Again, anonymous function is a function without a name, and the general syntax of anonymous function is val, the function name equals to fun keyword and the parameters with the return type. And here we specify inside the curly braces the function body and the return statement if needed. Let me give you a very fast example. I'll create a list named as numbers equals to list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I'll create an anonymous function that squares a number. So the square of 1 is 1, the square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, 16 and 25 for 5. Okay, I'll start with the basic syntax val or var, anonymous function name, I name it as square anonymous function equals to fun keyword. And here I need to pass the parameters. I need to pass only one number at a time. So x, it's of type integer. And what is the return type? It's type int. I need to return a square of this number, which is an int. Then I'll open the curly braces. Exactly, I'm following this syntax. The function body, I can store the variables inside int z equal to x times x, or I can create directly a return statement, val as z equals to x times x and return the value of z, or I can directly write like this, return x times x, which is the square of the parameter. Okay, this is our first anonymous function that squares a number. Then I need to call this anonymous function. I'll use a map function to square each element. So val squared numbers equals to numbers dot map. And I'm mapping the square anonymous function. We use this anonymous function with the map function to apply it to each element in the numbers list, effectively squaring each number to the list. Map is a higher order function in Kotlin. It takes a Lambda expression or an anonymous function and applies that function to each element of the list. In this case, we are passing the square function as argument to map function. And square anonymous function is an anonymous function that we defined here. When we call numbers.map and we pass the square anonymous function, it iterates over each element in the numbers list, passing each element to the square anonymous function. And the map function collects the results into a new list. So squared numbers is a new list, which is assigned to the square number variable. So after this line of code is executed, the squared number will contain the result of squaring each element of numbers list, resulting in a new list that is in this case 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. Let me show you. Print ln, and I need to print this new list called squared numbers. Run, and don't worry, I'll talk about higher order functions in the next videos. And here we go. This is our result, our new list. This is how we define anonymous functions in Kotlin.